Hey guys, welcome back to Automotive Care. This video is going to be informative, so please watch the complete video. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more informative videos. Now let's get started. Guys, Apple CarPlay is providing the easy method of payment for fuel. You need not to pull out your credit card every time. Apple CarPlay might soon move the payment part of gassing up at the pump to the dashboard. It remains a bit under wraps that how this will all work. But this fall, when the software will update the 16 station Sinclair network hopes to make CarPlay payments an option when the software is updated this fall. In 2017 and 2018, GM tried a version of in-dash fueling, but behind the service this past March some automaker ended the marketplace technology. Most of the hype surrounding clean, contactless bills within the car space has to do with plug-and-rate electric car stations. However, fuel-powered motors might not be omitted of updates to an extra tech-driven future if rumors about modifications coming to Apple CarPlay pan out. Our team is reporting on a new updated version of CarPlay dashboard-based fuel payment feature scheduled to be released this fall. Details about the fuel payments were not made public until now, while in June Apple apparently showed off the feature at its developer conference. HF Sinclair gas station chain owner, which markets its diesel and gasoline brands at over 16 stations in 30 states with whom our team has confirmed. Company said that it will provide more details to integrate the new CarPlay payment option with its stations. HF Sinclair's Jack Barger said, "We are really excited about the idea that the consumers now could purchase the fuel from their vehicle navigation screen. Most of the gas stations have increasingly been equipped with the contactless tap readers that can get the payment information from a compatible credit card or a digital device like an Apple Watch." Before going on next, just go to link in the description box and check out the latest CarPlay adapters and car stereo devices. The general idea for the CarPlay update is that without pulling out a credit card, you will be able to use your car's touchscreen to pay for fuel. Apple or Sinclair have not told the technical details of how a car with Apple CarPlay will communicate with compatible pumps, but you have to download compatible gas station apps in order to make it work. Once the app is installed, the navigation app will be able to not only direct you to a station but also be able to start the refueling session. Our expert team saying that the ability of using the software to log miles driven on the business trips is also on the horizon. CarPlay can already be used to pay for the EV charging, parking sessions, and ordering food. Thanks for watching, and if you like our today's video, let us know in the comment box. Please do like and share the video. We will be back soon with another informative video. See you guys later.